Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Brink of Speed. Today we are going to Darren's house and we're going to be putting on my new wheels from Forged Light. I can't wait to show you guys these things. They are absolutely incredible. And they will be replacing the stock 20-spoke beautiful black wheels on the beautiful brand new C8 Corvette. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Not much. Figured we'd get the cars cleaned after yesterday.
They got pretty dirty, but I think it's going to clean up pretty quick.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad, all said and done.
Yeah, I agree. We've got some wheels to show the people as well.
Yeah, I think we're both in for a little treat. I opened up one of the sets already. It's pretty impressive. They look pretty awesome.
Yeah, thank you so much, Jose. He's sending us a bunch of wheels for Forged Light so that we can show you guys what they're going to look like on our cars. And just wait till you see the new ones for Darren's car and the new ones for my car. So we won't bore you guys with a long wash process here. Basically, we're just going to show you the difference with the coated with underdog and the non-coated, and show you what the foam does on the coating and what the foam does on the car that's not coated. All right guys, check this out. These wheels are coated with underdog.
And we have the Carbo Tech brake pads on it, which we talked about previously. You know, only 50, 60 miles on it, but we're going to show how easily what little brake dust is on there will come right off. You can see how the water is just beating up on there.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And then what we're going to show everyone real quick while you're still filming that, we're going to use the Underdog product, the Perps. This is what they call their liquid clay bar. It works really good on wheels. We're just going to spray that on like this. Now these wheels, as we can tell, cleaned up pretty good.
Yeah, I don't even know if the Perps is going to be able to show up.
We'll see. Well, you see a little bit.
Oh yeah.
There'll be a little bit on the rotors.
Yeah.
But you can just stand back. Let's just let that sit for a minute. This is a good way to clean your tires too. You just spray on your wheels, your tires, the rotors. Let it sit there. You could wait, especially in this weather, it's cold, 2 minutes. But you'll see, it may look a little bit different when you get to your car. You'll see it kind of starting to bleed off any of the little iron deposits or anything on there. Guys,
just check out the difference in the stance with these two cars. I mean, looking at them from this view, it's enormous. When you come over here to Darren's, his is lowered about 1 3/4 inches.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, front and rear.
Yeah, so his has a much more aggressive and much more exotic stance than mine.
Yeah, another good view, Mike. Come here and compare the wheel offsets too, stock versus...
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a big difference. I love it, and I'm actually thinking about doing the same thing with my car.
So another reason too, Mike, the Perps, what we used on the wheels, you'll see they're super clean now. The reason you want to use a product like this, and this is actually just good advice for whatever products you're using on your wheels, once you coat them or have them ceramic coated, if you use some of the heavy cleaners that are out there, that coating is going to go away real quick. Regardless of what they tell you, it's 5-year, 2-year, 3-year as far as the coating goes.
Right, that'll protect
If you use a heavy, really powerful wheel cleaner, which some of them are out there, you're going to strip your ceramic coating off your wheels. So you want to just use something like this to knock the big deposits off your wheel, and then follow it up with your foam can and just use your foam mitt. And if you have the proper coating on your wheels, that should be all that you have to do. You shouldn't need to use super heavy, harsh chemicals on your wheels to get it clean.
Right. Check it out. Look how much the foam stays on the windshield in this car.
Yeah, it's
funny. And then look at this.
Sliding off, literally.
Yeah, it won't stay on this car because of the coating. Look at this. Look at the hood. It refuses to stay on there. Everywhere that it's hitting, it's just falling right off. That is incredible. Guys, this is the blower band. It goes on the top of the blower to make sure that you don't scratch your paint, and protects it when you get close to your car like this. Check this out. All right, guys, we're gonna do a little snap cleaning. So 1, 2, clean. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Look at these two beauties. Okay, so the cars are all nice and clean now. Let's get onto the wheels. These are the wheels that Forge Light sent Darren. He has Forge Lights on right now. These are the MC5s and they're brushed aluminum. And these are the MC20s and they are black. They're gloss black and they're absolutely beautiful. And they are 21s and 20s.
And they're the deepest concave wheel they sell for the C8 Stingray.
Oh, okay.
I can't remember the offset, but it's the most aggressive offset that you can get for a Stingray.
Nice.
So it'll be interesting to see once we put them on my car with the tires. They're going to be the same tires as I have now, which is 325, 25, 21 rear, 255, 25, 20 front. So we'll get a good comparison on the concave.
Yeah. And guys, make sure to go to thebrinkofspeed.com. That way you can scroll down and you can purchase your set of Forge Light wheels right off of there. Make sure if you have questions to call and talk to Jose, mention Brink of Speed, and you'll get your $100 off the wheels. You'll get free lug nuts, and he'll coat the wheels for free, and he'll ship the wheels for free. So a lot of good stuff when you go to Forge Light Wheels. Now let's check out the wheels that are gonna be going on. Brand new ceramic matrix gray car. These are a big surprise.
Yeah, you don't know. Well, you have an idea, I think, but I know you don't know.
I was told that I'm gonna really love this color.
Right. When Jose found out about the car situation, because originally, as we talked about on previous videos in the show, we were gonna do a set for Captain America. And since that situation changed, he thought, well, it'd be perfect. Obviously, you're gonna keep this car for a while. Let's go ahead and put something on this.
Yes.
He knows the color. He knows what you like, so I think you're going to be super happy.
Okay, let's see him.
All right.
I can't wait.
I haven't even seen him yet either, so I'm probably more excited than you are.
I don't know. I don't know how you can be more excited than me. I wanted wheels for this brand new 23 for a while now, so. And these are MC20s or MC5s?
You're going to find out.
Okay.
All nicely packaged tight in here so they won't get damaged during shipping. They come direct to your house via FedEx. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
You sure?
Let's see them, man. I can't wait. Holy crap.
Are you seeing what I'm seeing?
That's a flake in there.
Exactly. Carbon flash.
Holy look at that, guys. Jose, you freaking knocked it out of the park. These things are amazing. And these are the MC5s.
They're just like mine. Same sizes, but carbon flash. It's the first time he's done that on the new brand. I think this is going to be a huge hit.
I agree.
I know when people start seeing these, they're going to freak out because it looks amazing. And when we get it on your car with the other carbon flash components and then the ceramic matrix paint, it's going to pop.
That is so freaking awesome.
In fact, you know what we got to do, Mike? I can't wait. Let's jack your car up real quick.
Really?
Let's just test fit the back. I just want to see what it's going to look like. Let's just try it.
This is so awesome, ladies and gentlemen. All right, that's what we're going to do. We're going to pull my car in, jack it up, or do it out there. I don't care. Put the wheel on and see what this is going to look like. And then I think on Wednesday, we're actually going to have tires on these wheels.
Yep. Tires, yep.
So we'll have the new look on my car in about 3 days. Let's do it. So check it out, ladies and gentlemen. We've got the rear wheel on, and this is the new Forge Light Carbon Flash MC5 21-inch rear wheel. Look at how beautiful that is. I love the Forge Light right here. Whoop.
And a reminder for everyone, if you want to use factory center caps, you can do that, should you want to.
Exactly.
Such as mine have the factory center cap still
Right.
on them. And Jose, I spoke to him last night because I told him we received the wheels and we're going to get them coated up and mounted soon. And originally, there was talk that there was going to be an upcharge for Carbon Flash. He's saying, at least for now, there's no upcharge.
Oh, wow.
So it's the same
Nice.
as if you do gloss black or the dark smoke or any other styles of coating. So that's a huge win.
That is huge.
So if you're on the fence about getting a set of wheels, definitely talk to Jose. And you know, Jose is the owner of Wheel Designers. They're bringing this brand to market. And if you're looking for any other brand, whether it be Vossen, BF Forged, he also sells those. So just talk to him, tell him your budget, tell him what you're looking for, tell him your fitment, what you're looking for. He'll know the offsets, he'll help you out, and you're going to end up with something you're going to be super happy with and setting your car apart, which once we get the tires on here, it's going to be a whole new animal.
Oh, yeah. So what do you guys think? Do you like those? Obviously, you'll get to see them soon enough with the tires on them, with the car obviously back down on the ground. And you'll see how it'll really help shorten that wheel gap that's in the rear, and then the 20s in the front will do the same thing. So super exciting.